If you love to read books, then the same content of this series, I for Investment, is available in a readable format. The name of the book is I for Investment, Applying Common Sense While Nurturing Your Portfolio of Stocks. Click on the below link and grab your copy today.
Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information related to personal finance. It doesn't matter if you are a working professional or a business person. It doesn't matter if you are a student or a retired individual. It doesn't matter if you are a male or a female. Irrespective of your height, weight, age, profession, race, and gender, consumer goods are the products that we all individual procures as being a consumer. We have been using these goods in the past, we are using these goods in the present, and we will continue to use these goods in the future. In the previous video, we tried to figure out quality companies and those stocks which are listed in the financial markets just by analyzing our daily routine and the habits. The products which we were able to figure out are classified under the consumer goods segment. Consumer goods are the products and services which are purchased by the individuals for their personal use, pleasure, or to fulfill their needs. Let us continue further and find out some more consumer goods in order to find out the quality companies which are listed in the stock markets wherein we can invest. Because the product which are manufactured and traded by these companies, that is the consumer goods, are used by us on a daily basis being a consumer. How would you feel if you see a lot of insects or pests in your house? These can be near your gas stove in the kitchen, or on the kitchen's slab, in the cabinets. It can be in the bathrooms. You won't feel good and you will feel disgusting, isn't it? Moreover, these pests spread certain diseases such as plague, food poison, etc. It is our duty and responsibility to maintain the cleanliness and hygiene of our homes. We all want our houses to be free from pests, insects, mosquitoes, and rats. Here we are. We have found a sector wherein we can invest for the long term. Till the time there is life on this planet, we all human beings will keep on cleaning and sanitizing our houses in order to ensure that we are not caught under the weather by those pests and insects, and hence we'll also ensure to do the pest control in our houses. You all would have used and would have heard about that electronic mosquito killing bat that looks like a tennis racket, which is used to kill the flies and mosquitoes and other pests. Brand like Goodnight Mosquito Repellent, Hit Mosquito Repellent, and Cockroach Repellent Spray. These all are manufactured by Godrej Industries. Let us explore the products which are manufactured and sold by Godrej Industries. We have been through a couple of products manufactured by Godrej Industries in the previous video, wherein we saw some of the products, and this list is exhaustive. Whether it is our kitchen or our living room or our washroom or our drawing room, everyone wants to be at high level and want to feel fresh. We do not want to be in a stinky environment. Therefore, we all use room fresheners. Godrej Industries also manufactures room fresheners and car fresheners. Hairs are the vital part of our body, which we have also discussed in the previous video. Hairs on head graces our personality. Further, all of us want our hairs to be nourished and properly taken care of. Brands like Mega Growth, which deals in hair oil, hair conditioners, hair growth lotion, is a brand of Godrej. For the teenagers and for the young adult suffering from premature grayness or whitening of hairs has become a big reason to worry. Not only the people having problem of premature grayness, in fact, the middle-aged and the old people also used to color their hairs to look attractive and young. The company also manufactures hair colors and further it also provides salon services online. Salon servicing portal named as Darling, available worldwide, providing ravishing hair styling services, is a brand of Godrej Industries. Not only this, Godrej Industries also deals with products such as soaps, sanitizers, gel, hand wash, face wash, and it is also engaged in electronic equipments such as refrigerators, deep freezers, washing machines, security door locks, and security system. It also manufactures and trades in microwave oven, safe vault, and a lot more. Having diversified business is a cherry on the cake factor. There we go. We have found a business which was there, which is there, and which will be there. Till the time there is life on this planet, the demand for such products will never be out of trend. Still, at times you will observe that the company stock is falling irrespective of the fact that the demand for the product are intact or even increasing. This can be due to numerous reasons such as change in management, change in business policies or business models, and etc. This particular company has a lot of other competitors as well in the market. These companies gives a throat cut competition to Godrej Industries. Being an investor, although we were able to figure out certain businesses which will never get out of trend because these businesses are related to our lives and we use their products on a daily basis. However, after identifying those businesses, we see that a lot of listed companies in the stock markets are evolved and involved in doing those businesses. Hence, a question arises which company's stock should be purchased for investment purpose and which company's stock should be avoided. Due to these factors, it may happen that the stock of one company might be rising and the stock of another company might be falling, irrespective of the fact that they both are in the same line of businesses. Don't worry, you will unveil those facts in the forthcoming videos. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then